Hey guys, more fraction review. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about multiplying fractions. So when we multiply fractions, we don't have to worry about getting that common denominator, which is a great thing. But we do have a few steps we need to follow. First of all, we need to put a number 1 under any whole number that we have. And then we check our corners, making sure we reduce in those corners if we can. Then we multiply straight across. And then when we get that answer, we cowboy horse if needed, and then also simplify if needed. So I have a couple of examples for us. The first one, 5/14 times 21 over 25. So what we need to do first of all, we don't have any whole numbers, so we can go ahead and just check our corners. I see that 5 and 25 are in opposite corners, and those can both be simplified by dividing out a 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then I check my other corners. Remember, we're always checking opposite corners here. 14 and 21 can both be divided by a 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So now I've checked my corners. I should be good to go on my multiplication. So I just multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10, and there is nothing that both 3 and 10 can be divided by, so checking my corners already took care of all my simplifying, so I have a final answer of 3/10. Then on the next problem, this one does have a whole number, so remember I need to put a 1 under any whole number, so that becomes 6 over 1, and now I need to check my corners again. So I see that 6 and 24 opposite corners can both be divided by a 6. So when I do that, I get 1, and then 24 divided by 6 is 4. Looking at 1 and 21, because there's a 1 there, there's nothing there that I can divide out. So I just go ahead and multiply straight across. 1 times 21 is 21, and 1 times 4 is 4. And this is an improper fraction, so I do have to go ahead and cowboy horse. Can't leave an improper fraction as a final answer. So I go ahead and build my house. The cowboy goes inside, the horse stays outside. 4 goes into 21 5 times. Multiply 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract and get 1. And my final answer is 5 and 1/4. Hope that helps you on your Math Minute.